Almost half of plastic production is made from disposable plastic, items that we all know well and deal with every day. Plastic bottles, lids, plastic film. And plastic is a great material with seemingly no end to its versatility, which explains its growing global production and consumption. However, as plastic production continues to grow, at this rapid pace, the end-of-life issues are not being addressed. They're growing and they become very visible and urgent. And as we all know well, the rates of plastic collection is well under 10% for the various types of plastic, leaving vast quantities of plastic in our oceans, in our streets, in our homes, and destined for landfills. The problem has become so vast that hundreds of environmental organizations and others around the world are working on these issues, working to address education, increase consumer awareness, and encourage solutions. But what are the solutions? We cannot just address plastic pollution by increased use of existing methods, because they simply do not work. Recycling is important. It's very important, but it's also not enough. Recycling alone is not enough to meet the growing demand and the growing use of disposable plastic products. And yet, despite this growing demand, the alternatives are few. The choices are limited. The existing options are not price competitive for consumers or for businesses. Their features and performance do not meet the needs. They don't match conventional plastic. So really what I'm here today to talk about and to say is that we need to embrace new approaches, and we need to embrace plastic pollution as an innovation opportunity. Plastic pollution is an innovation opportunity and an entrepreneurial challenge. That's the message. And with that, I'm thrilled to announce the launch of the Think Beyond Plastic Innovation Forum and Business Accelerator. The forum was created to advance these issues, to focus on entrepreneurship, to inspire innovation, and to measurably reduce global plastic pollution. We are interested in impact. We're a channel for entrepreneurs, and this initiative seeks to inspire the creation of ideas. This is a big project. We're thinking bold, forward-thinking. What are the solutions? It includes a business accelerator, an innovation fund, and an entrepreneurs competition. Our team has experience in science, sustainability, entrepreneurship, innovation, and we're ready to work with you. You know many of my colleagues, our Chief Executive Officer, Daniela Russo. If you're not familiar with her, she has quite a blended background in running NGOs, high-tech companies, and Fortune 500 businesses. There's another name you might be familiar with, Dr. Michael Washburn. He's our Chief Sustainability Officer. He's worked with some of the world's largest companies on a range of natural resource and sustainability issues. We also have Dr. Greg Baxter, a scientist. He's our Chief Technology Officer, and he's been working on commercializing technology, and has been involved in some very innovative startups, including the NSF's Innovation Accelerator and Stanford StartX. Our focus is on single-use disposable plastic and those with the lowest collection rates. The Innovation Forum will identify areas that are ripe for opportunity for solutions. We're looking for the hotspots of plastic pollution, particularly in food packaging, medical waste, reduced plastic waste, alternatives to styrofoam, and cradle-to-cradle product design. Technologies and products that we are particularly interested and excited about include alternatives to the plastic coffee lids, single-use coffee pods, plastic utensils, plastic medical instruments, and many others. We're exploring technologies that include pulp nanotechnology, plastic-free of endocrine-disrupting chemicals, sustainable alternatives to styrofoam, food and beverage packaging that is truly compostable. We look forward to bringing these innovations to major brands and large companies. We are here to help those that are exposed to consumer scrutiny, and to help the plastics industry. We have access to hundreds of entrepreneurs across the globe, and the Think Beyond Plastic team can push your spirit of innovation forward and help you along the way. So with that, I'm thrilled to announce the opening of the Think Beyond Plastic Innovation Forum, Accelerator, and Fund, and you can learn more at thinkbeyondplastic.com. Thank you.